Right, news coming in. Aam Aadmi Party MLA Mahendra Goyal has reached for questioning with regard to the Delhi police that had sent him summons. The issue here is a controversy that Goyal, did he sign on forged documents? The case is related to illegal Bangladeshi syndicate. He's reached the South Delhi Police office and we'll try and get more details on what precisely is happening. Aishwarya Paliwal joins me on this. Aishwarya, so after saying he's going to come 10 days later, he's not going to come right away, it appears he's had to respond to the summons. Take us through the controversy here, because I feel beyond elections, this is about national security as much.
Well, that is exactly why we are seeing such strict actions now being taken. The questioning will be with regards to all the documents that the police has at the moment. The police is now saying that his paper, his sign, that was what was being used to convert people who had come in from Bangladesh, and those were the people who were getting voter ID cards. So whether these voter ID cards are fake or not, whether the signatures that the police has at the moment, whether these signatures are true, whether they are false, is this document actually what was helping Bangladeshis get new voter ID cards? That's something that the police at the moment is looking at. And this is something which, if we speak about politically, this is also something that the BJP has been pointing fingers at. They have been claiming that Aam Aadmi Party has been indulging in large number of people who are coming in from different states, and also a lot of people coming in from Bangladesh. They are now getting voter ID cards made in the national capital. So this is a big controversy. And, you also rightly pointed out, national security is also something that the police is now very closely looking at.
Aishwarya, any reaction that you've heard yet from the Aam Aadmi Party? I know that Goyal said that he did not sign on any forged documents, so that will have to be investigated. But has the party not responded on this as much, because BJP Congress are charging over this issue?
Well, BJP Congress definitely, raising fingers not just at the top brass of the Aam Aadmi Party, including they are also asking questions with the Chief Minister, Atishi. They are saying, both the BJP and the Congress, that it is Atishi who also needs to give clarification on this controversy that is coming to the fore. Also, they are saying that it should be Arvind Kejriwal who should now come out clean and tell the people of the national capital what exactly is happening. Is it true? Is it not true? So these are the questions that are being asked by the opposition parties, the BJP and the Congress party. The Aam Aadmi Party maintaining that this is a false signature, and that's the investigation precisely that is now being done at the moment.
Aishwarya, keep tracking all the latest on that. Interesting. And could this become trouble for the AAP MLA, or will the party be able to come out of it? And importantly, who then did sign on those documents that went on to become voter ID cards and more?